If you're already plotting your holiday destinations for next year, there's a hidden gem you might want to consider that offers a unique escape from the typical tourist traps. Join us as we embark on this journey and explore this lost island paradise. Can you brave the search? One common grievance for travelers venturing abroad is the inevitable crowd, other tourists who flock in large numbers to popular destinations, congesting flights, and overcrowding beaches. Picture this: you're trying to enjoy a serene sunset, but instead, you find yourself battling for a spot on the sand, struggling to book a dinner reservation, or languishing in long lines under the relentless sun. Indeed, some tourist hotspots have grown so weary of the seasonal influx that they've started implementing measures to deter visitors, seeking to preserve their natural charm and local lifestyle. But if you're in search of tranquility, where the presence of other tourists is a rare sight rather than the norm, then Manatua Island in Indonesia beckons. With a population of only 3,000 residents, Manatua remains one of the world's secluded paradises, largely untouched and off the typical tourist radar. This island could soon become one of your favorite destinations, boasting crystal-clear waters and pristine landscapes that have remained unspoiled by the heavy foot traffic of global tourists. However, the island's untouched beauty comes at the price of accessibility. It is remarkably remote, requiring 4 days of travel from Malaysian Borneo. The journey involves multiple legs by boat and plane, but rest assured, the destination is worth every bit of the effort. Described by visitors as a literal paradise and renowned as the turtle capital of Indonesia, Manatua promises an unparalleled experience for nature lovers and peace seekers alike. For those enticed by the allure of exotic wildlife and serene beaches, Manatua offers an experience like no other. Here, you can swim in transparent seas, dive among vibrant coral reefs, and perhaps most enticingly, encounter numerous sea turtles in their natural habitat. The island's relative isolation means that you'll likely share these experiences with just a handful of other adventurers, giving you the rare chance to enjoy these wonders in near solitude. Despite its remote location, the amenities on Manatua are comfortably adequate, ensuring that your stay is enjoyable without sacrificing the rustic charm that makes the island special. Small, locally run guest houses and eateries offer a taste of genuine Indonesian hospitality and cuisine, further enriching your travel experience. Moreover, the journey to Manatua itself is an adventure, winding through the scenic routes of Malaysian Borneo and transitioning from land to sea as you approach the island's shores. Each leg of the trip offers its own unique sights and experiences, from lush jungles to expansive oceans, setting the stage for what awaits at the destination. Once on the island, the pace of life slows down. You can spend your days exploring the vast marine biodiversity, trekking through dense tropical forests, or simply relaxing on the beach with a book, occasionally glancing up to watch a sea turtle lazily swim by. For the more adventurous, diving and snorkeling offer close encounters with the vibrant underwater life that thrives around the island. Evenings on Manatua are serene, with the setting sun casting a golden glow over the water, inviting you to reflect on the day's adventures. The night sky, free from light pollution, blankets the island in stars, providing a perfect end to peaceful days. In conclusion, if you're seeking a holiday destination where you can truly disconnect from the chaos of crowded tourist centers and reconnect with nature, Manatua Island offers an exceptional getaway. Remember, the journey to reach this secluded paradise is part of the adventure, promising not just a destination, but a profound travel experience that you'll cherish for a lifetime. So, if you're ready for an adventure that combines tranquility with tropical allure, it might be time to start planning your trip to Manatua. As you consider your travel plans, remember that places like Manatua are rare jewels in a world that's often overrun by tourists. These destinations offer not just beauty and relaxation but a chance to engage deeply with the environment and local culture in a way that more crowded spots cannot match. By choosing to explore lesser-known locales, you contribute to their economies without overwhelming them, ensuring they remain pristine for future visitors. If you've enjoyed this peek into one of the world's hidden paradises, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We specialize in uncovering secret destinations and offering first-hand insights into the world's most breathtaking spots. Subscribing not only supports our efforts but ensures you won't miss out on our next great discovery. Each video aims to inspire and inform, providing you with everything you need to make your next holiday unforgettable. Join our community of explorers and adventure enthusiasts who dare to travel differently. Subscribe now and start planning your next unique getaway with us.